Hi guys, in today's video I'm about to show you a new brand website where you can generate high quality reels and short videos about any topic in any niche just in few seconds, and of course for free. And now let's get started. There's also my website in question, that is makereels.ai. Here you can generate your videos about any topic in any niche in any language you want without any registration. So here at the first glance in the home page of makereels.ai, you can find create a reel on. Here you can find different topics where you can generate your videos about, like fact, educate, custom prompt, industry, statistics, quiz, promote anything you want, and so on. And here you can find a plethora of different languages like Spanish, French, Deutsch, English, and so on. And you can insert your topic you like. So now we can try something like basics of dog training. So here you can insert this one, basics. Okay, and now we can click over this button, generate AI reel for free. And here, just in a snap, this awesome website will craft your video as you observe.
Unlock your dog's potential. Essential basics of dog training. Consistency is key in dog training. It helps your dog understand what you expect from them. Positive reinforcement techniques encourage
Perfect, isn't it? And here, for editing this video and customize it as you want, here you can find these three categories. Like for content, here you can edit your title of your video as you see here. And here you can insert a video or a background image as you like. And here you can find this end text or the call to action. You can find this call to action at the end of this video, like follow for more and subscribe now and something like that. And here for the body of this video and the main topic or the basics, in other words, here you can find this content as you see. There are facts or different instructions to how to train your dog. And the best part here in this amazing website, for every single chapter or every single scene, here you can find this video icon that enables you to add any video you want for free for commercial use from any website. Here you can search for anything you want and insert directly any short clip as you see. So here you can find, if you search for dog training, you can find here these videos from Pixels. So if you select one of them, like this one for example, it would be added directly to your chapter as you see, and likewise for every single chapter. So here it doesn't allow you to insert only the AI generated clips. So here it gives you the opportunity and the freedom to insert anything you want from real video clips from real people and so on. So here you can, for example, insert your free photos, or you can insert here your uploads from your device and so on. So here, just close your window and insert and select as you want from these video clips from Pixels and insert them directly to your chapters and your content. And when you're done, for sure you can go to this voiceover, and here you can find a plethora of different real voiceover, lifelike voiceovers in different languages, including Hindi, Arabic, Chinese, Deutsch, and so on and so forth. And here you can clone your voice. Of course, it's for premium users. And insert background music if you want to change the one here in this video. And as for going to logo and style, you can insert your logo and your brand picture here. Just you can insert your only text as you see, like for example this one, and click over this button, update. Or you can upload your full-size logo or icon with text. And here if you go to templates, it's regarding the caption in your video as you see here. the alt text on your video, add a theme of your videos like this one, and so on. You can change here the font styles. You can change font weight, color, underlined, font size, and so on, or make it decorations. And as for transitions between scenes, you can select from these top to bottom, left to right, right to left, fade, and so on, as you see. And here you've got to know there are 3 different categories in this amazing website. Here we are on text to reels, your prompt, your idea, your thought to beautiful reels. And of course here you can find as well news to reel. Here you can convert any article about news to an amazing reel, or blog to reel. Any topic, any article in any website, you can convert it here on make reels.ai directly to an amazing reel or YouTube short video. And then when you're done and when you're happy with your video, with all video clips, voiceover, music, background, and so on, here you have the option to publish this video directly to different social media. And of course, this option and this feature is allowed only for premium users, or you can download it to your device. Or of course, it gives you this video with a watermark that you can easily remove it in an external website, that is 123apps.com, where you can go to this video tools and go down a little bit to remove a logo from video, where you can upload here your video and insert a box around your watermark and click over this apply and save your video. So here you can generate high quality reels and videos with no AI generated content for free without even registration, and in a language you want, just in few seconds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.